I will ascend to the heavens, above the stars of God. I will set my throne on high. I will sit on the mount of assembly in the far reaches of the north. I will ascend above the heights of the clouds. I will make myself like the Most High. So, akong title ani kay pride and humility. So, this is the main characteristic of Satan. So, in this passage, although in Isaiah it was actually referring to a earthly king, but this part 12 to 14 it was referring to Satan. So, as you see, he wanted to be God. He wanted to rise up to his level. But what did Jesus do? Instead of holding on to his position as God, he made himself nothing. Instead of clinging on to his divine, his throne, he let go of it and became a servant up to the point of dying for our sins. So the contrast between Satan and Jesus is so clear. Satan wants to go up, and sometimes in our lives we want to also be high. We want people to look up to us. So we want to be, but that's a sign that we are actually desiring something. But Jesus' greatness is humility. Greatness is servanthood. It's never about the position. It's always about humility, servanthood,